Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create reusable client templates in Canva step by step in 2026 so you can save time, maintain brand consistency, and deliver professional designs to multiple clients effortlessly. Reusable templates are a game changer if you work with clients regularly. Instead of creating new designs from scratch each time, you can quickly customize a master template to suit each client's brand. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Decide the type of template you need, such as social media posts, presentations, or marketing materials. Set the correct dimensions and layout according to your client's requirements. Next, add your client's branding elements. Include logos, brand colors, fonts, and any other style guides. This ensures that all templates remain consistent with their brand identity. Now, design the template with editable areas. Use text, placeholders, image frames, or shapes to mark areas that can be customized for different campaigns or messages. Lock the non-editable elements like logos, backgrounds, and headers to protect the structure. Another great tip is to use Canva's folders to organize client templates. Create separate folders for each client and store all their templates there. This makes it easy to access, duplicate, and customize templates whenever needed. If you want to deliver the template to a client, share it as a Use as Template link. This allows the client or team member to create their own copy without altering the original design, keeping your master version safe. Finally, review your templates periodically, update branding elements, add new sections, or tweak layouts to improve usability. Maintaining organized and reusable templates will save you hours of work over time. And that's how to create reusable client templates in Canva step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.